Please subscribe to my channel and also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to restore some missing desktop icons, and those are recycle bin, my computer, which is nowadays this PC, a network icon, a users folder and control panel. So if you are using Windows 10, you may see recycle bin on the desktop, but all other icons which I have just mentioned you may not see on the desktop, but there is a way you can get them on the desktop. If you remember, in earlier version of Windows like Windows 7 or Windows XP, these icons used to be by default on the desktop. So in order to restore them, you need to right click anywhere on the desktop and click on personalize. Once you are on this screen, you can click on themes at the left hand side, and then at the right hand side there is an option says desktop icon settings. You can click on that and you will get desktop icon settings pop up. You can close the window behind, and now these are the 5 icons I was talking about. So you can put a check in the boxes of them and click on apply and OK. Now you will see network icon, recycle bin, and this is the users folder, this PC which used to be my computer, and this is control panel. So that's how you can restore these icons on the desktop. And that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Also make sure you press the bell icon to get the notifications of my future videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.